The story begins in a small and quiet town where life moves slowly and softly. In this town, there lives a young man named Adam. Adam has a simple life, but inside his heart, his life has two sides. One side is calm and bright, and the other side is heavy and sad. Every morning, Adam wakes up early when the sun is still soft in the sky. He sits on his bed and looks at the small window in his room. The light comes inside slowly, and the room feels warm. Adam likes this time of day because it feels peaceful. He takes a deep breath and tells himself that today will be a good day. He stands up, washes his face, and looks at himself in the mirror. His face looks normal, but his eyes carry many quiet thoughts. Adam smiles at himself, but the smile is gentle and short. He puts on simple clothes and gets ready for the day. Adam lives with his mother in a small house. The house is old but clean. His mother is kind and caring. She always wakes up before Adam and makes tea for him. When Adam comes to the kitchen, his mother smiles and asks how he feels. Adam always says, "I am fine, mother." This is one side of Adam's life. This side is calm, polite, and full of soft words. He sits at the table, drinks his tea, and eats simple bread. His mother talks about small things, like the weather or the garden. Adam listens and nods. He does not want to worry her. Inside, he feels many things, but he keeps them quiet. He believes that strong people stay silent. After breakfast, Adam helps his mother a little and then gets ready to go out. Adam works in a small shop in the town. The shop sells daily things like food, soap, and simple clothes. The owner of the shop is a friendly man. He trusts Adam and likes his calm nature. When Adam walks to the shop, he sees people from the town. Some people greet him, and Adam greets them back. He smiles, and they smile too. This is the bright side of his life. People see him as a good and simple man. At work, Adam does his job with care. He arranges items, helps customers, and speaks politely. He listens more than he speaks. Many people like him for this reason. The shop feels safe and quiet when Adam is there. But while Adam works and smiles, another side of his life stays hidden inside him. This side is full of questions, memories, and quiet pain. When the shop is calm and there are no customers, Adam's mind travels to the past. He remembers his father. His father was once part of his life, but not anymore. Adam's father left when Adam was young. He does not remember many clear moments, but he remembers the feeling of loss. He remembers his mother crying at night and trying to stay strong during the day. Adam learned early that life has two sides. One side is what people see, and the other side is what people feel but do not show. Feels lonely even when people are around him. He feels tired even when his body is not tired. He wonders why life feels so quiet and loud at the same time. These thoughts come slowly, like clouds in the sky. Adam does not fight them. He lets them come and go. He believes that feelings are like waves. They rise, and they fall. This belief helps him stay calm, but the feelings never fully leave. In the afternoon, the shop becomes busy. Adam focuses on his work again. He talks to customers, gives change, and packs items. His voice is soft and clear. People thank him, and he thanks them back. This is the side of life that feels normal. It feels safe. Adam likes routine because routine does not ask hard questions. When the sun starts to go down, the shop closes. Adam cleans the shop and says goodbye to the owner. He steps outside and feels the cool air on his face. The sky changes color, and the day slowly ends. On his way home, Adam walks slowly. He does not rush. He watches the road, the trees, and the houses. He likes walking because it gives him time to think. Sometimes, he wishes his life was different. Sometimes, he feels thankful for what he has. These two feelings live together inside him. This is his life with two sides. One side says, "Be happy. You are safe." The other side says, "It is okay to feel sad." Adam listens to both sides, but he does not know which one to follow. When Adam reaches home, his mother is waiting. She asks about his day, and Adam says it was good. They eat dinner together in silence. The silence is not empty. It is full of understanding. After dinner, Adam goes to his room. He sits near the window again. The night is quiet, and the stars are small and far away. Adam looks at the sky and thinks about his life. He feels calm, but also a little heavy. He knows this is only the beginning of his story. His life has two sides, and he is still learning how to live with both.